Hey guys, my name is Gerard Mumza. I'm going to take you through how to connect a jdbc connector to your NetBeans. So you shall go to Chrome, then I will just add a new tab here so that I can search. Then search for MySQL. So you can go for MySQL downloads. Make sure you are connected to enough internet because mine is somehow very slow. So if you can have a faster internet, I think it has already appeared. Wow, it is taking very slow this time around. So now, yes, now it has come. You go to my community, MySQL community GPL downloads. Then there you click. After clicking there, you go to connector/J. Click there. Then after going to connector/J, as it is loading, you know, those with better internet compared to mine have already reached there. So to bring you this interface, so here you select the operating system, click on this drop down arrow, and because our Windows operating system isn't available here, then you go to the platform independent. It's loading the platform independent. This internet is becoming very poor this side. So now here we have the two files. We have the achieved file here, and we have the zipped file. I prefer having the zipped file, so you download it. You have to wait for our download so that it can start. So after it brings another interface, so here you choose no thanks, we don't want to log in, we don't want to sign up with Oracle, so you just say no thanks, just download. Start my download, then it will, in the quickest time possible, it will start downloading. Wow, it shows it is done. So you open it. Here we extract the jar file of which is MySQL connector j8.20.jar file. Then we extract it to somewhere. So we shall extract it to the downloads. Then we press OK. It has already extracted, so we close this tab and we close this tab. So now we go to the IDE. It depends on the IDE you are using. I'm using the Apache NetBeans, so you can use any IDE. Then we go to services, which is here. Then you right click on databases. You choose the new connection. So after choosing the new connection, here you want to choose the connector or the driver. So you choose where it is. So if it's not available, you press new driver. So you say you add here. So after adding, then you browse where it is. So we shall go, we instructed it to downloads. So we shall go to this PC, you go to downloads, then it is here our jar file, then we press it, then we open. It says they will give you the class and the jar, so you say okay. So now it is here, our MySQL connector /j driver 2. Then you say next, then you connect your database. Here you put the name of the database. For example, we test mine, like mine is tourism. Reservation system. Then you put a password. If you don't have it, you can just proceed. I will say password. So you test the connection to check whether our connection is compatible. Then they are telling us that our database is not available at the localhost, so we check whether it is the available data. We open MySQL, then say root, enter to my password. So show databases. Oh, sorry, it is not available, so that is a mistake. So here the database I have is MyDB. So we test the connection. Yeah, the connection is successful. Then we can finish. Now, after finishing here, it means your connector is already activated. But the problem with this connector, according to the programs, if you are trying to register your driver, most of us in our function, we don't have this CJA. We only have MySQL com.mysql.jdbc. So here you add .cj so that to configure. So after running it, it will show you that it has configured. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment, and for any queries, just can put in the comment section. See you again.